Instantaneous velocity and speed. Dear students, in previous topics, we have learned that average velocity is specified as displacement upon time. It means that if the average speed of the car is 45 km per hour, then we say that the car travels 45 km in time interval of 1 hour. However, it is not necessary that the car is traveling with same speed throughout the time interval of 1 hour. Sometimes it travels fast, sometimes slow. We can create the position time graph of its motion. However, the average velocity failed to specify the speed at any instant of time. Instantaneous velocity. We can overcome the problem of average velocity by studying the instantaneous velocity of the body. The velocity of the body at any instant of time is called instantaneous velocity or simply velocity. It is the vector quantity, that is, it has magnitude as well as direction. One way to calculate the instantaneous velocity is to go on reducing the time interval, that is, delta t, such that the time interval is infinitesimally small, that is, we can call it an instant and measure the velocity at this instant. In mathematical form, the instantaneous velocity is represented as v equal to limit delta t tends to 0 of delta x upon delta t. V equal to derivative of x with respect to time where x is the position. Let us take one example. Position of a body with respect to time is specified by the equation x equal to phi t square. Let us try to find the instantaneous velocity of the body at time t equal to 2 seconds. We know the formula of instantaneous velocity where v equal to dx upon dt, which is equal to d by dt into 5t square or 5 into d by dt t square. Using the formula, d by dt into t to the power n equal to n multiplied by t to the power n minus 1. So by putting the values, we get instantaneous velocity v equal to 5 into 2t. Since we have to find the instantaneous velocity at time t equal to 2 seconds, we get v by t equal to 2 seconds equal to plus 5 into 2 into 2 meter per second. So, instantaneous velocity v at time t equal to 2 seconds equal to plus 20 meter per second. Instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed is the magnitude of instantaneous velocity of the body. It means that if the instantaneous velocity is minus 40 meter per second, it means that the instantaneous speed of the body is 40 meter per second.